Welcome to your virtual inspection presented by Little Hinges. To start the inspection, simply click in the direction of your choice to navigate throughout the property. Click, hold and drag to view the property at any 360-degree angle. Feel free to use your mouse to zoom in or out, or your arrow keys for easier navigation. We provide a 360-degree view of a property. Click on a 360-degree icon to get a glimpse of the outside of the property. To continue your virtual inspection, click on the person icon. Our measurement tool provides you with the ability to measure any space within the property correct to the millimetre. To start, click the ruler icon on the lower left-hand side of the tour. Select the plus sign to activate the tool. Once activated, click on your first point of measure and then move to your second point of measure. We typically see agents and tenants using the measurement tool for a variety of things, such as to see whether their fridge will fit or not. You can measure multiple points in the room, and as a tip, it's best to stand front on to what you're trying to measure. To exit the ruler mode, select the X button on the top right-hand corner. The Dollhouse and Floorplan selections allow you to view the property in a 360-degree 3D view, which is our Dollhouse, or a bird's eye 3D view, which is our floor plan. These are found in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You can navigate to certain rooms by clicking on the desired floor space or room. Last but not least, if you'd like to navigate to a particular 360-degree view or room, select your desired space by clicking on the image slide located at the bottom of your tour. This doubles as a highlight reel, allowing viewers to simply press play and watch through the property highlights similar to a video playthrough. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to navigate this virtual inspection. If you would like to book in a virtual tour for your property or listings, please call 1300 266 588 or visit www.littlehinges.com.au.